Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are looking at Golden Cross and Death Cross. These are two famous moving average signals and they are best understood together. In the last moving average episode, we looked at price crossing above or below a moving average. This one is slightly different. Here we are watching two moving averages cross each other. The faster line is usually the 50-day moving average. The slower line is usually the 200-day moving average. A golden cross happens when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. In plain English, the medium-term trend is getting strong enough to move above the long-term trend. Traders often see that as a possible bullish trend shift. A death cross is the opposite. It happens when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. In plain English, the medium-term trend is weakening enough to fall below the long-term trend. Traders often treat that as a risk warning or a sign that the bigger trend may be under pressure. On a chart, imagine two smooth lines. The 200-day line moves slowly like a big ship turning. The 50-day line reacts faster. When the faster line climbs through the slower line, that is the golden cross. When the faster line drops below the slower line, that is the death cross. But here is the important part. These crosses are not magic prediction signals. Moving averages are based on past prices, so the signal can arrive after part of the move has already happened. In a choppy market, the lines can also cross and then reverse, creating a false signal. So use golden cross and death cross as broad trend context, not as automatic buy or sell decisions. Check price action, volume, the market environment, nearby support and resistance, and your own risk plan. In Signal Alert, add golden cross or death cross, choose the stocks you want to watch and create the alert. The goal is simple. Let Signal Alert watch these major trendline crosses so you can decide whether the setup deserves a closer look. Visit Signal Alert, EO, and build your next market alert in minutes.